I'm Leslie here from Southern California, San Clemente. And thank you for coming to my channel. I am going to teach you today the line dance boots on the ground. It's a beginner dance, 32 counts, no tags or restarts. It's choreographed by TRE LITTLE. The music is Boots on the Ground by 803 Fresh. 32 count intro. So I'm going to start off first by just showing it to you, okay? I'm going to go all the way through it, the 32 counts without music, just to show it you. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 5, 6, 7, 8. So I'm moving my hip, my heel, and this would be a fan. This has got a fan in it if you want to use a fan. All right, so let's get on with the tutorial then. Don't forget you can pause anytime, press the little cog and change the speed, make it go slower. Alrighty, here we go. 5, 6, we start with a walk on the right, on the left, a stomp on the right and a step on the left, on the right. We repeat it, left, right, stomp, step. Just do that a few times. Walk, walk, stomp, step. Walk, walk, stomp, step. Walk, walk, stomp, step. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So we're going to do that twice. Next step, you're going to take the toe and you're going to point it front on the right foot, point it to the side, point it back, and point it to the side. For 4 counts, it goes 1, 2, 3, 4. Front, side, back, side. All weight is on the left leg. So let's add that on from the top. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. One more time. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. All right. Going on. 5, 6, 7, 8. Step forward on that right foot. Put the weight on it. Tap your left out to the side. Step forward with your left foot and tap the right foot out to the side. So that's kind of step and tap and step and tap. Let's do a few of those. Walk forward. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. You can add a little flair by putting your hip out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. But there's only 2 of them, not 4 of them. That was just for practice. Okay, let's go from the top. 5, 6, 7, 8. Walk, walk, stomp, step. Walk, walk, stomp, step. Point front, side behind and side. Step and point and step and point. One more time with counts. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. 5, 6, 7, 8. Next set of 8 counts. We're going to do a rock recover and a shuffle step, step together step. It's like a cha-cha. You're going to take the right foot because it's free. Rock forward. Step back on that left foot. Do a quarter of a turn over your right shoulder for a step together step. Step together step. And then we're going to take the left foot forward. Step on it. Recover on the right. And then we're going to do that step together step. Half a turn to the left shoulder. Step together step. So that is right foot, rock, recover, step together, step, rock, recover, half a turn, step together, step. Yes, you got it? The counts for that are 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. From the top, add that on. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Point, 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 point. Step and point, step and point. Rock, recover, step together, step. Rock, recover, step together, step. Again, one more time. 5, 6, 7, 8. Walk, walk, and walk, walk. Stomp, step, point. 1, 2, 3, 4. Step and point and step and point. Rock, recover, cha, cha, cha. Rock, recover, cha, cha, cha. You can intertwine cha, cha, cha. Shuffle step, step together, step. A few more you can call after as well. All right, so we've got that. Now let's do our last few counts. We've got 4 little walks. We've got the right leg free. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then you're going to put all the weight on that left leg. I'm going to go on an angle slightly so you can see. And you're going to put this heel and this hip go up, 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 up. 4 counts. And if you had a fan, you would go up, 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 up. So, 4 walks, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. Up, heel, heel, heel. From the top, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, stomp and step. 1, 2, stomp and step. Point, 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 point. Step and point and step and point. Rock, recover, shuffle, step. Rock, recover, step together, step. Walk 1, 2, 3, 4. Hit 1, 2, 3, 4. Yes, you got it. One more time. 5, 6, 7, 8. Walk, walk, stomp and step. Walk, walk, stomp and step. Point, 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 point. Step and point, step and point. Rock, recover, shuffle, step. Rock, recover, shuffle, step. Walk 1, 2, 3, 4. Heel 2, 3, 4. Yes? Second wall. 5, 6, 7, 8. Walk, walk, stomp and step. Walk, walk, stomp and step. Point front, point side, point back, point side. Step and point and step and point. Rock, recover, step together, step, quarter. Rock, recover, half, step together, step. 4 walks, 2, 3, 4. Put your weight on that leg. Hip, hip with a heel and a heel. Don't need to put your arm up, I'm just putting mine up. Then we're ready to start again. Walk, walk, stomp and step. Walk, walk, stomp and step. Point front, side, back, side. Step and step and point. Rock, recover, shuffle a quarter. Rock, recover, shuffle a half. 1, 2, 4 walks. Hip, heel, heel, heel. Yes? Oh, okay. Shall we do it to music? Remember, you use that little cog to slow it down. I'll put the music on now. Boots on the ground by 803 Fresh. It's an energetic dance. It's kind of got some soul, so it gives you a chance to do some soul here. Here we go. 32 count intro, sorry.
Sit
Not until you've done it many, many times. I just learned it this morning. I probably had to do it 10 times so I could remember it. So, you know, it takes time. Anyway, thank you for all coming to the channel at Dance with Anne Leslie. Please like, share, subscribe, so I can put on some more videos. And bye for now.